Hello and welcome to the setup and customization video for SecureDrive KP. In this video, we will be covering how to verify which pins have been set. To determine which pins have been set, make sure the drive is locked and press the key button. If no pin exists, the screen will display a red solid LED. If a user pin exists, the screen will display a blinking red LED, as you can see here. If only an admin pin exists, the screen will display a blue blinking LED, and if both pins exist, the screen will display both red and blue blinking LED lights. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you still have questions, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-875-3230 or visit our website at www.securedrive.com.